we have only 5 floor plans to decipher, and you will see how each of them have their own unique taste and unique selling points. So coming to D1, this will be a layout that is a size of 1010. Okay, the reason why I think that this layout will be the first to sell, because comparing to 947, which is a 3-bedroom plus study, with 60 plus square feet bigger, you will get a 4-bedroom, which is the 4th bedroom is a proper room with aircon, with wardrobe, and you take a look at the 4th bedroom, you can even fit in a queen size bed. Okay, for many ECs or condo that cater the compact 4-bedder, usually the 4th bedroom you can at most put a single bed. Okay, if you have been in the market looking around, you should know what I'm saying. For this layout itself, to up a little bit of budget, you may be able to get a 4-bedder. And this is proper 4-bedroom with yard, with WC, and with storeroom. So to me, I think this one it will be loved by all the upgraders, especially those staying 4-room flat and wanted to upgrade to another bedroom. But the 4-bedroom plus study may be a bit too far to reach. That's why these 36 units, I think it will be snapped up within the first few hours. Okay, so take a look at this layout. Of course, all the bedroom can put in a queen size bed. The master can put in a king size bed. Other than that, you still have a proper L-shaped kitchen and a yard, WC, and a bomb shelter. Last but not least, you'll be seeing this biggest 4 plus study. Developer purposely omitted 5-bedroom for this development. I'm not sure why. Maybe they will introduce in the next development, which is beside Novo place. This 4-bedroom plus study, you can see that the study room, they place it in the living room itself. I believe because the developer knows that for bigger families, they will hang out more often in the living room. That's why this study is in the living room rather than in the master. And not only that, they're catering a junior master room, which is within one of the common room, which is bedroom 3, you can see here. And this toilet that it uses is not a shared toilet. So for family where parents are staying over together, I believe this will be a great help, and there's a reason for you to upgrade as well. And if you look at the master, he is I think you can even put in a two king bed inside, because the wardrobe and the walk-in wardrobe is actually separated. Okay, later you'll be seeing how the wardrobe look like in the provision slide itself. If you haven't seen my video on the facilities of Novo Place, please click the link over there. There's a link right there, but please finish this video first before you click the link. Okay, for the provisions, developer are giving this wireless doorbell and a digital lock set by Yale. And of course, you are able to control your aircon via app as well. Plus, the gas heater is this brand called Couche. Okay, and by the way, Couche is the brand coming out from City Gas in Singapore. And of course, for the hood, stove, and oven is also Couche brand. And for the tap in the kitchen will be Hansgrohe and Monique for the sink. Continue on, you will see that this is how the entrance of the 3-bedroom plus study look like. Okay, so this is the entrance of a 3-bedroom plus study, and you can see right beside the entrance, you will see the TV cabinet, and further down, you will see there's another storage cabinet right at the end of the TV area. And the kitchen, top and bottom cabinet are all given, and this time round, it's very rare to find 2 sets of drawers that's at the both end of the kitchen. And if you notice, the fridge area, you can even put in a 2-door big fridge. It's pretty rare to find in 3-bedroom. Usually, only the 4-bedroom can put in a 2-door fridge. Okay? Then continue on for the D2 entrance. The D compartment also beside the entrance area, and there's a tall cabinet surrounding the 2-door fridge as well. And the kitchen will be an L-shape. L-shape, and you can see on the bottom left, there is in between the corner area, there's a pull-out storage, and you will see clearly within the showflat visit later. Following on, the PD door will be installed in every bomb shelter. It is meant for in case you're going to house a helper in the bomb shelter, and this door creates ventilation and privacy. And rather than closing the big clumsy bomb shelter door every single time. Okay, so this is another element that the developer throw in. Okay, for bathroom, toilet bowls are all wall hung. Okay, not like some development, the common and the master are separated. Some are on the floor, some are wall hung. For this development, they are giving all wall hung toilet bowl by Brabant and Hans Grohe for all the sanitary. So this is a demo of type C3, the 3-bedroom plus study. And the toilet, as you can see, the shower is fully fitted. And for the vanity, right, you can see a mirror cabinet plus a vanity cabinet. And for the master room, for D2, they even give you a concealed rain shower in the master toilet. I think it's only for the 4-beders. Okay, but for the common toilet, you can see both are similar design, similar concept. The items are also the same. Okay, so you don't need to spend money to do a mirror cabinet in the common toilet anymore. So for wardrobe, type C3, you will give a very lengthy 2-sided wardrobe and with the drawer accessory compartment. Okay, for the 4-bedroom walk-in wardrobe, you can see there's an accessory cabinet housing the full-height mirror. And then below, the sliding door will be for the longer side and casement for the shorter side. Okay, you can see that the common wardrobe will be all laminated grey color, and this will be the provision of the common bedrooms. So you have seen the facilities, you have seen the floor plans and how thoughtful this development can cater for your daily needs next time when you move in. So I invite you to see the show flat this coming 2nd November to 12th November, and take note the registration for balloting only within this period. So don't miss out and come and take a look at this fantastic show flat with me. And you can DM me in my description, or you can scan this QR code here to contact me. See you in the next one.